Hello everyone, thank you so much for your love and affection. Today I would like to speak on risk that everyone should take in their life. I have remembered a few lines of the poem whose name is The Risk. This poem is composed by Janet Rand. I like this poem very much. So I thought I should share with you. Every human activity involves a risk. Suppose if we laugh, then there is risk appearing fool. And if we cry, then there is risk appearing sentimental, or we can say emotional. If we hope for something, then there is risk of disappear and disappointment. If we help someone without asking, then there is risk of interference. And if we love with someone, then there is risk of not getting love in return. And if we try, then there is risk of failure. If there is life, then there is also risk of death. So shouldn't we take risk in our life? And what will happen if we don't take risk in our life? A man who doesn't take risk in his life does nothing, is nothing, has nothing, becomes nothing. If we don't take risk in our life, we learn nothing, we feel nothing, we love nothing, we gain nothing, we grow nothing, we change nothing. So without taking risk, we can't do anything. If we want to achieve something and we want to fulfill all our dreams, then we must take risk in our life. So it was a little bit thoughts of risk which I want to share with you. Thank you so much.